Welcome to Advanced Formula within Salesforce. In this video, we'll dive deep into the advanced use of formulas. Let's set the stage by highlighting our key learning objectives for this session. We will implement advanced formulas to solve complex cases. To begin, head to Setup and use the Quick Find box to locate and access the Object Manager. In the Object Manager, click on Opportunity and then Validation Rules. Click New to initiate the creation of a new validation rule. In Rule Name, enter Loss Reason Required. In Error Condition Formula, enter the formula. After entering the formula, check syntax to avoid any error. For error message, enter opportunities can't be marked closed lost without providing a loss reason. For error location, select field and loss reason. Click Save to finalize and implement the loss reason required validation rule. Fantastic! You've successfully created a loss reason required validation rule for opportunities in Salesforce. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.